The lighting is so bad. Okay, this is better. I think this is better. It is 6:48 in the afternoon and I'm just now getting started on my routine. I had a very chaotic morning this morning. I ended up like editing the vlog you guys watched today, which was yesterday's vlog, for over an hour and a half. I don't know why it took me so long. It was 7:30 by then, by the time I was done, and I had to jump straight into a work meeting, and then I ended up just like finishing work. And so I got off at 5, showered, got dressed, put my makeup on, and now we're starting on my routine. Since I was so busy, I'm actually still in my pajamas underneath my prayer outfit, so I haven't even changed today. But I've been getting a lot of questions about this prayer set. It's from Zahra the Label. I'll link it down below, and I have a coupon code with her, so I will put my code here as well. But now I'm gonna quickly pray, and then we'll go through my Ramadan planner and then check things off. And then I'm actually going to an iftar tonight with my friend, so we'll get dressed together and we'll head out. This is so random, but if you guys ever see a napkin on the floor, it's because I use it when I'm doing sujood. I don't know why. I have like rugs in that corner. I have another rug there, but I just prefer to pray on my carpet. It's really weird, but I don't want my face to touch the carpet, so I just put a napkin. So if you guys were ever wondering. Okay, we're gonna sit on my bed and read Quran today because my back is killing me. So I just need the back support. So I'm just gonna read here, and honestly, it's really comfortable. So I'm gonna read for about an hour. Now let's go through the Ramadan planner and check off things that we've completed. So I don't have an iPad and I don't have the little pen that I can use to write. So if you guys know a better way, let me know. But I'm just using the edit function of Adobe PDF. So I'm going to start off with Salah Tracker. Fajr, I prayed that, so I'm going to mark that off. Zohar, I prayed, so I'm going to mark that off. Asr, I also prayed. Now we wait for Maghrib and Isha, and then I'll check that off too. I do plan on going to Taraweeh, so I'm going to do that as well. As far as the juz go, I just finished Al Imran this morning, so I will start on Nisa today. I'm a little bit behind. And then I'm not going to write my tasks for the day here just because I've written it in my planner. But yeah, I really love using this planner. It's super helpful. It gives you a hadith of the day. There's also a dua of the day, and it's just really fun to use. So I'll link this down below if you guys want to check it out. This is what I ended up wearing. I have no idea why I chose this, but it was like hanging there and it was super easy. So I was like, okay, sure, I'll wear it. And then I'm wearing a black hijab because all of my new hijabs are super dirty. So this is the look. I'm going to just put on some black heels and call it. On our way to iftar, and iftar actually opened 3 minutes ago, and we have nothing in the car to eat or drink to break our fast.
Who's that, Jay?
I'm with my friend Intisar.
Hi, sisters.
She's very religious. very religious. Okay, we're leaving iftar. It's 8:44. I don't think it's gonna focus, but we're going to Taraweeh now. Okay, so what do you think of the buffet?
5 out of 10.
Yeah, Intisar didn't like it at all. She was rating it really low. I actually liked it. I would give it like A 7 out of 10?
Generous.
Okay.
Very generous.
I mean, I'm sort of biased, but just kidding. I really think it was good.
I believe you.
My taste buds are also a little
There's
screwed
that
up.
cop coming after me. I was like, she called the cops on me.
أنت أرحم الراحمين, and you are the most merciful of those who show mercy. The ulama say, subhanallah, Ayyub alayhi salam, he minimized his pain, he maximized the mercy of Allah.
I just got home and quickly changed, and now we are leaving for prayer. But like, this is not the real me. Hey guys, she wants you to know this is not the real her. She usually looks a lot better, but this is not the Abby look. No, you can't film me, Josh. I look really bad. Look. Well, why did you tie it like that? Every speck of hair needs to be covered for namaz. My normal hijab is not namaz appropriate. Okay, just put it on however normal so we can vlog, and then just put it on tight. Yeah, what do you mean normal? The normal will slip off because I don't have a dope underneath. So I have to do it really tight so it stays in its place. Okay, so we're gonna do a taste test. Of what? No, I don't want that. Yeah, it's so good. I'm so full, I'm stuffed up to here. So then, I feel bad for the person next to me because I'm really burping. But, I'm gonna try this. I'm opening a new packet. Oh my god, you guys. Yesterday I said I'm not gonna eat any more of this chocolate, and here I am, opening up a whole new packet. I just want Here. No, I don't want it. You try it. No, I don't want it. I don't want it. Try it. I don't want it. It's good.
Every day in Ramadan. I can talk, hours and hours about that, but